machinery industry has always been an important sector for Flexxaire. We have a long-term partnership with big OEMs such as Caterpillar, as well as relations with most of the equipment dealers. Europe is also an interesting market for us. We are experiencing a strong growth, and our analysis indicate a number of coming opportunities in the next future. We have a lot of innovation on display at this BAUMA 2019. For instance, our new 500 series wide blade, especially designed for small and medium engine size. We also have here our new Wi-Fi timer, fully adjustable from a smartphone and able to read information directly from the engine network.